Interactive web development using JavaScript. Maya and Momo are ready to explore how websites respond to actions. Buttons, forms, and messages don't just appear, they react. JavaScript gives life to web pages, turning them from static pages into interactive experiences. HTML is the skeleton of a web page. It defines what content appears, such as headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and forms. CSS styles the web page. It controls colors, fonts, spacing, and layout. Without CSS, all content would look plain and unappealing. JavaScript adds behavior. It lets the page respond to clicks, change text or images, check user input, and make decisions. Think of it as the brain of the web page. Quick way to remember. HTML what is shown. CSS how it looks. JavaScript what it does. JavaScript can be added using that script tag. It doesn't replace HTML or CSS, it works with them to make your page interactive. Variables are containers for storing data like text, numbers, or messages. Use let to create variables. Variables can store text, strings, or numbers. Use meaningful names, comments, and indentation for clean, readable code. Operators perform actions on data. Arithmetic operators handle calculations, plus, dash, asterisk, forward slash. Comparison operators check conditions, equals equals, 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 equals. Conditional statements let JavaScript make decisions using if. Code inside the if block runs only when the condition is true. Logical operators combine multiple conditions. And then both conditions must be true. Either condition can be true. Reverses the condition. Loops repeat actions automatically. Instead of rewriting code, a loop can count, display lists, or repeat tasks. Console.log helps check values while testing. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a task. Functions keep code organized, reduce repetition, and make programs easier to read. JavaScript waits for events, user actions like clicks, key presses, or mouse movements. Events trigger specific code, making the page interactive. JavaScript can find HTML elements and change their content dynamically using .inner HTML. You can capture what users type in input fields and use it in your program. Let's build a mini project. HTML creates structure, CSS styles it, and JavaScript makes it interactive. Clicking a button greets the user dynamically. Try these activities to practice your skills. Change the greeting message. Add another button with a new function. Change text color using CSS. Display your name dynamically. Update content without using alert. Key points to remember. HTML structure, CSS style, JS behavior. Variables store information. Conditional statements make decisions. Loops repeat actions. Functions organize reusable code. JavaScript responds to events. Capture input with document. Get element by ID. Follow best practices, meaningful names, indentation, comments. With JavaScript, Maya, Momo, and you can transform static pages into interactive experiences. By combining variables, conditions, loops, functions, and events, web pages can think, react, and respond to user actions. Your journey to creating dynamic websites begins here.